Well folks, in case you missed it first time around, that was the second test flight of my scratch built C130 foamboard thingy that I came up with after too many weeks of rainy days. Here's part 1 and 2 are on my channel, including the design process, the thought that went into it and what I was hoping to achieve. But basically the plan was to build a transporter and be able to drop a parachute from it. And as you could see, it worked. I've made a couple more changes since this second flight test. Added an undercarriage, which I've modified even more since, so that it's only got one wheel as a tail dragger, because as you saw in my rather dodgy takeoff, it needed rudder. The second one was pretty dodgy. Needed a rudder, but I only had a 4-channel receiver in it and I needed 1 channel for my release mechanism. Switched it around, I've got a 6-channel receiver in it now to keep the weight forward. The rudder servo is installed just here with quite a long control arm on it here, but that helped. The other thing I've done here is the bomb bay was initially here, which meant of course in the early part of the flight the centre of gravity was a bit off, it was a bit tail heavy, so I've actually shifted the bomb bay here to help keep the weight forward. Having moved the bomb bay forward, I moved the servo for the release mechanism further forward. That also helps keep the weight forward because it had become rather tail heavy. So that servo's in there, as I said, on channel 6. And the operation of that servo is controlled by this little pot here. Just pops that rubber band off. What else has changed? Ah yes, different camera position. That first one, the camera was under there. I figured it's going to be even better if the camera's actually here, like so. Hopefully should be even better to fly. Now I've changed centre of gravity a bit and improved the undercarriage. So that's the end of that. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like, and why not check out some of the other stuff on my channel. Lots of flying stuff, remote control stuff, drones, even paragliding, paramotoring that I also do. I've got a couple of interesting things coming up, including an easy to build fighter in foamboard, which hopefully is going to drop some bombs. Cheap and easy to build, just 2 sheets of A2 foamboard, that's about £5, and I will publish my own free downloadable plans for it. So hopefully build blog for that will be coming out soon. So if you want to see how that goes, why not hit subscribe down there. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.